Rezvani is back at it, and for 2026, the tank has been pushed even further into extreme territory. This is not just a refresh or a light update. The latest version of the tank arrives with a completely redesigned exterior that looks sharper, wider, and noticeably more aggressive than before. It somehow manages to look even tougher without losing the over-the-top personality that made it famous in the first place. Underneath all that muscle, the 2026 tank is still built on a Jeep Wrangler chassis. But what Rezvani does with that foundation is anything but ordinary. Buyers can still turn the tank into something that feels ready for a war zone. The armored package adds ballistic armor, bullet-resistant glass, underbody explosive protection, night vision, and a long list of serious security upgrades for $85,000. This is the kind of option list you usually only see on military vehicles, not something you configure online. For the first time, Rezvani also lets you go absolutely wild with power. The headline option is a supercharged 6.2-liter V8, making 1,000 horsepower. And yes, it costs another $85,000. That price sits on top of the tank's $175,000 starting point. If that sounds excessive, there are calmer choices. The standard engines include a 270 horsepower turbocharged hybrid 4-cylinder or a 285 horsepower V6, both included at no extra cost. Rezvani also offers a 707 horsepower supercharged V8 for $65,000, or a 500 horsepower 6.4-liter V8 for $45,000. Security goes even deeper if you want it. The B6 armored package uses lightweight composite armor that cuts weight by about half, but it adds a massive $145,000 to the price. The more affordable security package costs $42,000 and includes gas masks, run-flat tires, a smokescreen system, electrified door handles, and other movie-style features that feel straight out of a spy film. Off-road hardware is just as serious. A 4-inch suspension lift comes standard with 37-inch tires. If you want 40-inch tires, Rezvani bumps the lift to 6 inches. Optional Fox Racing. 3.0 internal bypass shocks with dual speed compression cost $12,500. Dynatrac axles and Dynatrac Pro Grip brakes are standard, rounding out a build that feels engineered for anything.